Hello and welcome to our second session of our Pvsyst tutorial 2. My name is Nanadom Abeye Nyako, a renewable energy engineer, and I'm your training facilitator for today. We are going to continue our standalone design from our former video. So after defining your orientations, then also defining your loads under user needs, we move straight to system. Under system, we have to understand the following parameters. Battery system voltage. The battery system voltage depends on the inverter in use. The loss of load, that's the enter accepted LOL, that's the loss of load. It describes the tendency to which a selected load used in the design wouldn't be used at all. Then also your days of autonomy. And that also describes the number of days the system can run solely on batteries, assuming there's less or no irradiance due to bad weather. Now let's look at our suggested PV design, which is 5.22 kilowatt peak. So this is calculated automatically by Pvsyst. Now let's move to select our models. Okay, so we are choosing a 270 watt peak Jinko model. Then let's move to, after selecting your PV, we are moving to the controller. Actually, Pvsyst identifies inverters as controllers and will only size according to the controller rating. So you can define your controller specifications at the database, and that will be explained in our subsequent videos. So we are going to use a Growatts inverter, and we are selecting a Growatts inverter with an MPPT controller of 3500 watts. So automatically Pvsyst sizes the modules that you'll be using, but you can always alter. So let's modify to get the 5.22 kilowatt peak. So I think we can leave it here. So meaning now we are getting 21 models, which is going to occupy an area of 34 meters square, and the maximum operating power 1000 watts per square meter at 50 degrees Celsius will be 5.1, but the nominal, according to the nominal power at standard test conditions, we are going to have 5.7 kilowatt peak. So click OK. Run your simulation, then click OK. It saves your work. Then you move to reports. You are good to go. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll be bringing you more videos. This is Energy Masters. So we are about launching our online portal very soon that will help engage the public on our services. We as Energy Masters are very enthused about the sustainable energy industry, and we would like to promote it and also use our platform to contribute to fighting against climate change. So let's get interactive at the comment section and share your views and knowledge on the video. Thank you.